Shamus had 30 minutes. 30 minutes to make the best soup in town.
First place wins this, the golden soup spoon.
He can do this! I know he can!
I hope so. He's been practicing all week.
I just hope he doesn't put pepper in it again!
But Shamus had a lot of competition.
Welcome, chefs. The rules are simple. Make the best soup, the most flavor, the most heart.
Shamus already knew about heart. He had failed many times, but every time he learned something new.
Okay, slow and steady. Just like Pierre taught me.
So far, so good.
Oh no, oh no, oh no, oh no. Way too salty. 25 minutes left. Could Shamus start over?
He can fix this. He has to.
He can! He can!
Shamus was rushing, and rushing is how mistakes happen.
Okay, slow and steady, just like Pierre taught me. The timer starts. Shamus's focus sharpens. He reaches for the salt with confidence. Time for the carrots, little chef!
Yes, in they go!
Now, stir it well.
Stirring, it smells amazing!
And now, the chicken. Whoa, careful there!
I got it, let's cook!
All right, open the pot. Now the carrots. Rolling it over. Perfect, in it goes.
Shamus stands there frozen, dripping with soup.
Silence!
Cut to rival chefs laughing. One holds his belly, his ears droop, his tail goes still.
Shamus looks down at his apron. Soaked, he starts untying it, about to leave the stage. Music goes quiet, almost silent. Maybe I'm just not a chef.
Wait, Shamus, don't give up.
Remember everything you learned. Every mistake taught you something. And this time, maybe just read the recipe.
The audience laughs warmly.
Shamus laughs too, just a little. Cut to Pierre at the judge's table. He's smiling behind his hand, pretending to look stern. But Shamus is ready for his comeback.
Shamus stopped. For the first time all day, he slowed down.
Hi friends! Buy these 3 great books by Gerald J. Roach on Amazon. First, Shamus makes a mess in cooking school. Then, a boy learns about his daddy's green thumb. And don't miss the soup. Subscribe and click the links below.